Today I have 24 free certification courses from Udemy. So let's talk directly about these courses. The first course is here, Python for Beginners Introduction to Python. This course is a great introduction to both fundamental Python programming concepts and the Python programming language. Next course is Python and Django framework for beginners complete courses. Next one is Improve English by Movies. You can improve your English listening and speaking experience by watching and listening movies. Next one is The Beginner's Guide to Artificial Intelligence in Unity. It is a practical guide to programming non-player characters for games. Next one is Python for Beginners. Learn all the basics of Python. You can learn how to program in Python, Python functions, Python basic apps, Python tips and tricks, and other Python features. Next course is here, WordPress for Beginners. Master WordPress swiftly. If you are interested in WordPress, then you can do this course. Next one is Blender 2.8 and Substance Painter 3D modeling game asset. Next course is Data Augmentation in NLP. You can augment your data set and outperform. Next course is IT Security 101, Cyber Security for Beginners. You can learn cybersecurity based practice tips on securing computer networks from internal and external IT security threats. Next course is Brain Hacking Presentation Skill. You can improve your presentation with the help of this course. Next one is Adobe Photoshop CC 2020 Master Course. Next one, Web Development Masterclass Complete Certification Course. You can learn to set up virtual cloud server and develop databases, drive-in website using the latest web technologies. Next one is Easy Italian to Survive. Next course, Build an Amazon Affiliate e-commerce store from scratch. If you'd like to do affiliate marketing, then this course will help you. Next course is Mastering for Critical Skills using Python, free preview. Build a responsive website using HTML3, CSS3, JS and Bootstrap. Next course is here, Database Developer SQL Server, T-SQL Database Migration. Next course is English Grammar, Tenses and Structure, the ultimate course. All you need to be perfect in English grammar and structure, you can do this course. Learn SQL skill using PostgreSQL and MySQL Server. Next one is Learn Professional Web Development Skill from Scratch 2019. Next one is 21 Steps to Your Future. Make your own ready to go plan. Next one is Essentials Web Developer and SQL Skills for Beginners. You can learn the practical skills used by the professional. The next one is Complete Bootstrap 5 courses from scratch with 3 projects. And the last course is here, Complete Bootstrap 5 courses from scratch with 3 projects. So you can do these 24 free certification courses. Check the video description to get the link.